Urububado, ikpakome migwe o. Umawa na begano, mebere. Nonena, megonota pare, ibieta, ri, mi, kugbe, ni. M, letter M and N. That's what I want to talk about today. Letter M as in me. Ma, mold. Me, fix, as in fix hair. Mo, come. Mu, carry. Mie, take. Muo, carry. Mavo, how far? Miewe, take it from me. Mecha, I'm coming. Meyara, I'm going. Miowo, spoil it. Mio, squeeze it. Muovu, angry. Muyara, carry go. Mure, carry come. Mo, carry it. Mra, sound. Mrewe, see me. Mrekebe, see him for me. Migwe, I am on my knees. It's the way we greet our elders. That I am on my knees. Then our elders will respond, Vrendo, which means rise up from your knees. Do. Then we'll go to letter N. Ibieta rini. Bevulurubu emikatakwana. Kububuromlawa. Na. N as in knee or kneel. Na or na to shut someone up with a shout. Ne to toilet. Niwe, look at me. No, look. No, ask. Na, just now. Ne, follow him or her. Ne, an old woman. Nuwe, follow me. No maweso, look yourself well. Nuge, watching. That's watch, to watch. Watching, like watching a movie or scene. Nyo, hear. He. Nwe, bend. Nere, to pet or stop someone from crying. That's where I'm going to end my letter M and N for today. Next class, we'll continue from the two letter O's. O and O. So, if you have any question, feel free to ask me. I'm always here to answer your questions. Urobo is my pride, and I love it. It is in my DNA. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.